Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and delete eBay account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead and access a particular eBay on a mobile phone. Once you have access to your app, you're going to find this option called My eBay below. Tap on it, and here in the section, if you scroll down to the bottom, you do have a settings option, but you figure that you can find the sign out option and all, but not have a close or a delete account option. For that, you have to go to this help option below, and then afterwards you're gonna go to this search bar and type in close your account. You will get then this option on top. Once you have tapped on it, closing account kind of article will gonna appear. You're gonna see if you close the eBay account, etc. And before closing your account, considering contacting us, it's gonna show you those kind of options. You're gonna go ahead, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on this close account option. Just keep it right here in the section. If you tap on this blue option given, it will ask you to select a category. Once you have selected that particular category, you will be able to tap on this I want to close my account and tap on submit. Once you have submitted that, your account will be closed. That is basically the way you do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.